some. So let me just show you my experience just for starters. When you log into the screen, you enter your credential. At the time of this recording, you will be greeted with this welcome screen, which is basically an announcement that's letting you know that there is a new version of Phrase, which is 2.0. But at the time of this recording, I was having the opportunity to switch to the legacy, which is the older version of Phrase, or continue to use 2.0. For the purposes of this video, I am going to show you the 2.0. So once you're in the 2.0, it will show all of the documents that you have created. And as you can see, I've created quite a few documents already here. But to give you an overall view, the first step would be to go into your account and of course enter the information. And once that information is saved, the settings area of course has a number of attributes that would be pertinent to the settings of your account. The account information at the top, you can have team members depending on your plan, your subscription information, your billing information, usage. Basically, based on the plan that you have, you will be able to look at, get a running count of the usage of the platform. Integrations. This is a very powerful feature in Phrase where you can edit your documents in Google Docs. There's a WordPress plugin where you can get the information straight into your WordPress without going into Phrase itself. There's a Chrome extension that you can format and edit your articles real time on the fly without going into Phrase. So these are very powerful features. Of course, we go back to the main menu here of the 2.0. You have the document section. These templates were created by members of the Phrase platform, put the necessary information in tabular form or give you a template that you could just fill in instead of trying to come up with a layout on your own. This way you would have the basic fundamentals of whatever you're trying to create and just fill in the pertinent information. The other big feature of Phrase is the AI tools, which time of this recording is a lot. These tools are very helpful in building your content to your heart's desire. The article writer allows you to do a quick draft of your articles. The attention, interest, desire, action, IADA, blog introduction, blog titles, bullet point answers, call to actions, CTAs, cold emails. You can manually type in the commands into the AI. They're using the latest ChatGPT version. Definitions, email reply, email writer, explain why, Facebook post, feature benefit, featured snippet, like a numbers list, and so on. It keeps going. Any help that you need creating your content can easily be done in the AI tools section or the template section. And of course, the documents that you produce are stored in the platform. Segmentation is allowed where you can segment it to the particular domain that this content is being saved on. So get on board with Phrase today. Try it out for free. Take it out for a spin and see how it can help you in your online marketing.